Welcome to Caroline's Easy Baking Lessons, and today we are making a simple apple and cinnamon bundt cake. Easy to make, butter free and no decorating required. Also learn how to easily line a bundt pan. Let me show you how. Begin by adding lemon juice to your chopped apple pieces and set to the side. Then sieve your flour, baking powder and spices and mix to combine. Now add your sugar, any sugar you like, and mix through. Add just one of the eggs, mix through before adding in your oil. Mix these together before adding in your final egg. Very gradually add in the milk. You can mix by hand or use a mixer. Only add enough milk until you have a thick but pourable batter. So please note, you may not need all of the milk. The batter will leave a ribbon or a trail on the surface of the batter as shown in the video. Coat the apple pieces in flour and this will stop all of the apples sinking to the bottom of the cake. Gently fold in a third of the apple pieces into the batter. Repeat 2 more times until evenly distributed. Now it's time to grease your bundt pan. Here I'm using homemade lining paste. Link for this down below. I'm brushing on in upward strokes and covering with 2 generous coatings. Very carefully spoon the cake batter into the bundt pan. Give a few taps on the worktop, then place it on a tray to bake in the centre of the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. As well as the usual checks, you can also check the internal temperature of your cake, which should be over 200 F or 98 C. Leave to cool for 30 minutes on top of the cooling rack. Place a plate on top, hold everything together, flip it all over and release the cake. You might need to give the tin a few gentle taps. The cake came out in one piece, and here we have the bundt pan showing you the tiny little bits stuck behind, and those were the areas where the apple pieces were. Leave to cool for half an hour, then slice and serve. Tastes great with cream and golden syrup. All the recipe links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy baking, bakers! Bye for now!